The water levels look good here, Jose.
Yeah, making a note now.
Attention to detail ensures only the healthiest animals continue the process.
The skin looks clear. We'll move them to the main holding area now.
Easy now, easy. Okay, take it down to bay 3.
Okay, easy now. Watch the tines. Got it. Clear on the left.
Initiating spray sequence.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with scraping.
I can't believe we have inventory this weekend.
I know, but at least we get the overtime.
Make sure the edges are aligned before it hits the sprayer.
Got it. This one is ready for the first pass.
This texture is immaculate, definitely grade A.
Yes, move it to the premium section.
This batch looks perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, send it through.
Did you finish the last batch?
Almost. Just waiting on the delivery.
Make sure the stitching is perfect on this batch.
I am checking them twice before they move to packing. Check the grain on this one.
Looks good, consistent texture.
We're almost through this batch.
The stitching here is perfect. Yeah, that's it in that one.
Yes, the finish is excellent. Ready for packaging.
All right, bring it in slow. Watch the edge. Little further, right there. Okay, drop it.
And this is how modern factories produce Crocodile leather wallets from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.